Welcome to my channel, guys. In this video, we will solve for the inverse of the rational equation here. And so now to start off, we have to swap the variable x for y. And so how we'll start is we'll have y is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. Now we are going to swap y for x. And so what we'll do is we'll call this x. We'll call this y plus 1 divided by 2y plus 1. And now what we want to do is have all of the variables on one side and the other variable on the opposite side. And so what we'll do here, we'll multiply 2y plus 1, because we're trying to solve for the inverse, and multiply this side by 2y plus 1. And now this cancels, and now we have 2y plus 1, all of that multiplied by x, and then we have y plus 1. And what we can do is distribute this portion here. So we have 2xy plus x is equal to y plus 1. Okay, now we are going to subtract this side to this side. Minus x, and then we'll have 2xy is equal to y plus 1 minus x. And now we have to subtract minus y. This cancels, and so we'll have 2xy minus y is equal to 1 minus x. Now we will distribute this. So we'll have 2x minus 1 times all of that times y minus 1 minus x. And so now we'll divide this side of the equation and this side of the equation by 2x minus 1, and so y is equal to 1 minus x divided by 2x minus 1. But now y in this case is the inverse of the original function, which is 1 minus x divided by 2x minus 1. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.